Hey everyone, welcome back to Coles on the Go. Today we're exploring Harry Potter at Warner Brothers Studio London VIP style. With a VIP pass, your day starts very differently from a standard entry. What's included with the VIP package? You get a 2.5-hour guided tour with an expert guide, plus a delicious breakfast with unlimited tea, coffee, and fruit juice. There's priority parking right next to the studio tour entrance, although we did take the bus, so we didn't get to experience that part. The package also includes all digital green screen photos and videos from both the broomstick flight over London and the Hogwarts Express carriage, plus a printed wanted poster and a printed Ministry of Magic ID card. You also get Butterbeer or Butterbeer ice cream in the Backlot Cafe, served with a souvenir cup, re-entry to the studio tour after the guided portion, an exclusive photo in front of the Great Hall doors, and a souvenir guidebook and lanyard. When you arrive, you head to the ticket booth to pick up your VIP package. From there, you are greeted by your dedicated VIP host and skip the general admission queues entirely. Right away, the experience feels relaxed and exclusive, setting the tone for a behind-the-scenes tour rather than a self-guided museum visit. Your first stop is breakfast in the dining area. You're escorted to a roped-off section reserved just for VIP guests. Once seated, a server takes your order. You'll be eating with the other people in your group, up to 6 guests total. During breakfast, your host asks questions to learn what your group is most interested in, so the tour can be tailored to you. After breakfast, you're escorted through an employee-only area, bypassing the queue for the immersive film experience entirely. Once the film wraps up, you enter the Great Hall, and that's when the tour really begins. This is where your guide focuses on the areas and sets you're most interested in, sharing details and showing you things most guests never get to see. Since the guided tour is only 2.5 hours long, our guide explained that it would take days to see absolutely everything, so the goal is to make the time as personalized as possible. Once the guided tour is finished, you have the option to re-enter the studio tour. If you choose to do that, you're escorted back to the Great Hall doors. With your VIP pass, you're encouraged to take your time and explore at your own pace. This is when we went back to see things we skipped earlier and did all the green screen experiences. The VIP pass gives you front-of-line access, so you walk right past the queues for photos and videos. In total, we probably saved close to an hour just by skipping lines. Overall, we thought the experience was amazing. Skipping a line saved so much time. The green screen experiences were a lot of fun, and having a knowledgeable guide really elevated the entire day. The only thing we wish is that our tour was longer, and that we hadn't booked anything else that day. There was so much to do and see, we easily could have spent the entire day there. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will post everything we did behind the green screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more Coles on the Go adventures. We'll see you next time.